In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use frames in Miro, one of the most powerful tools for organizing and presenting ideas on your canvas. Frames make your boards cleaner, easier to navigate, and perfect for collaboration. Let's dive right in. To add a frame, look at the left toolbar on your screen and click on the frame icon. You can also use the shortcut key. Just press F on your keyboard and click anywhere on the canvas to insert a frame. If you want a custom size frame, click and drag across the canvas to draw one exactly how you want it. And if you already have content you'd like to include, simply select those items, right click and choose Create Frame. Miro will automatically wrap a frame around your selection. Next, let's customize it. To rename a frame, double-click its title and type a new name, or right-click and select Rename. This keeps your board organized as it grows. To resize or move a frame, grab its borders or corner handles and drag them around. You can also change the frame's color or aspect ratio from the context menu to make each section stand out visually. If you are working on a large board, you can even group multiple frames together. Hold the Shift key, click on each frame you want, then right-click and choose Group. This makes it easy to move or manage them all at once. And that's it. You now know how to add, customize, and organize frames in Miro. Frames not only make your board look professional, but also make collaboration smoother and more efficient. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more quick Miro tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy framing!